Master designers, welcome to one of the ultimate boss designs I've ever drawn. Tonight, we're gonna draw tyrantkabuterimon from Digimon Hacker's Memory. Tyrantkabuterimon is one of the new evolutions, and basically is technically the ultra evolved form of Hercules Kabuterimon, which is why they never revealed it in the anime. Since Hercules Kabuterimon is the mega level form and was only seen in Digimon Adventure Tri, I highly doubt that they added the Tyrant Kabuterimon into the series, like the reboot. And get this, there's no way that this Tyrant Kabuterimon is Hercules Kabuterimon's evolved form. My best idea is that this guy might be a separate evolution. There we go. Here's the spike sticking out of his arm. Here's one of Tyrant Kabuterimon's armor plates. There we go. And lastly, this. By the way, just last week, I saw Matsuki tell me a lot about the episode that she was in. She was really excited to be a star, and well, you know how that goes. Anyways, then Luna came barging in and asking if Luna can be drawn next. And I keep telling Luna, I'm getting to that part! And, I'm gonna be drawing that as soon as possible, just to get Luna out of my hair. Yeah, I'm talking about Luna Girl. I keep trying to take practice runs for each of my episodes, but for some reason Luna's moths keep getting in the way. I bet that I see that the PJ Masks will be fighting against the Speedy Twins one of these days. Well, there's the first claw. Now we draw this mark here. There's the chest. I've been getting a lot of comments from a few of the commenters, and well, I told them I'm gonna get to it as soon as possible. Like Omniversal Insectoid, Red Rubius. I already did that one. If you guys have any comments on which monster you want me to draw next, I'll be happy to draw that. Oh yeah, and I'm still trying to give a message out to an old friend of mine, Ava. And to be honest, I feel like she's the love of my life. I'm still trying to find her ever since I saw this episode of Middlemost Post called Love Letters. Made me feel heart sick and broken. And made me feel like I needed someone to love in my life. Starting with, well, what I found mostly important, I found out that I was hoping that Ava was still around, and maybe she might be the one for me. I even did a message on when I was drawing hearts from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. And another thing, I still plan on doing toy reviews one of these days. I still have a few of them in my cabinet. I feel like that's the reason why I keep getting so many views. If I could get my parents to understand and reason, maybe they'll allow me to do it more. Here's tyrantkabuterimon's tail. Here are the spikes. Oh, and get this. I found out when I was draw. Remember the episode when I drew Night Ninja? He got like 16 views. I bet it's gonna be getting a lot more, just like the episode of where I drew Eleanor. I didn't exactly have time to bring up my equipment. There we go. And all done. That's how you draw tyrantkabuterimon. Anyhow, I've got a few ideas on which character I should draw next. Got quite a lot, actually. I plan on doing some involving Transformers, like the old days. I plan on doing Ultra Instinct. Oh yeah, and if you got any action figures you don't need anymore, my P.O. box is 733 Woodbury, New York 11797. And if you have any action figures you don't need, just throw them right there and I'll get to it. Anyways, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.